Hey everyone, so quick preview of Tinder VIBES. So this is a new feature. So you can just answer these questions honestly and then get like deeper, better matches. So let's try to do that. So start vibing. So yeah, YouTube. And there you have it. So for example, I just answered to these vibes, and then I think the next step is just tap share my vibes. And there you have it. After that, your vibes are saved and probably you will get like a better matches. And then if you don't like it, you can always turn off vibes here in the settings. And the idea is that you will see more profiles with mutual vibes. So that's that. That's how it works. If I on the beginning just tapped like I'm not interested or something like that, then you won't see vibes.